Hi guys, I want to walk you through on questions that have to do with fractions. How do you go about it in WAEC, NECO, NABTEB, and JAMB? I want to take you step by step how you process it to the end. Please follow me. We'll have questions and WAEC, JAMB likely questions to encounter in the course of this study. You are welcome. Let's have a look at this question on the board. A man spent 1/6 of his salary on food and 2/5 on fashion. If he is left with 6,500, how much money did he have originally? You start with his original money, or let the original money be X naira, right? Then spend 1/6 of the salary of, so the food takes 1/6 of the money. The fashion takes, all right, 2/5 of the money. Then is left with this amount, 6,500 naira. So meaning if the original money is this, so he is left with so we're going to have the original money is this minus the amount he spent. 1 times this, that gives us x/6 plus 2/2x/5. All right. We now know which one is left. So this is equal to x minus, out of this, what's the LCM? 30. LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. 6 into 30, 5 times x, 5x plus 5 into 60, 6 times 2x is 12x. All right, if you add up this, we'll have, this implies that x, this is equal minus, right? This is equals to, add up this 17x/30. All right, if we take this, let's find the LCM of the whole of these. We're looking at the amount that is left here. All right, take the LCM, this over 1. 1 goes to 30, 30 times x, 30x minus 30 goes to 30, 1 times 17x. All right, so what do we do here? We'll have 30x minus 17x gives us what? 30x minus 17. 3 is 13x. So we have 13x/30. This is the fraction left. And the money is left with is equals to, so the fraction left is equals to the money you have here, 6,500, right? All right, here what we do, in this case, cross multiply, we have 13x times 6500 times 13. No, times 30, beg your pardon, times 30. Therefore, to get your x, divide both sides by 13. So x is equal to 6,500 times 13 divided by 13. Are we together? If you divide that, you're going to have exactly 15,000 naira as the money. So therefore, we're having the amount he had. How much money did he have originally? So the amount of money he has, the amount he had originally is 15,000 naira. Divide this, you're going to have this. Yeah, this question, an encyclopedia has 500 pages and 125 pages have been covered by students what fraction of the encyclopedia remains? Right? This is simple. 2 lines here are there. Pages left. Pages left is equals to 500 pages minus 125 pages. That gives us what? 500 minus 25. 5 borrow. This remains 9. 7. This remains 4. 3. 3. Then the fraction remain. The fraction that remain is equals to 375 over 500. That's a fraction. We can have 3 here. 3 into 37 is, 5 into 37 give us 7. That is 35. Carry 2, 25. 5. 5 here, 100. Okay, now we have 5 here, 1, carry 15, 5 here, 20, 5 here, we have, what do we have? We have 3 over 4. This is a fraction that remains. Right, thank you. Yes, you have a question like this? What must be added to the product of these 2 over 2 over 5 and 5 over 6 to make 6 over 1 over 2? Quickly, this is simple. Let that number be y, all right? So we are adding it to the product, means times. So let's convert this number to improper fraction. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12 over 5 times 5 over 6. Why am I using time? Because it's a product. All right. Will give us 6 whole number 1 over 2, which is 13 over 2. You know that? 2 times 6 plus 1, 13 over 2. Here we have 5 here, 1, 6 here, 1, 6 here, 2. That gives me 6 plus 2 is equals to 13 over 2. Therefore, that number is equals to, take the plus 2 to the other side. The sign will change and it will become minus 2. Here, take the LCM here. The LCM is 2. 2 goes to 2, 1. 1 times 13, 13. 1 goes to 2, 2 times 2 is 4. That gives us 13 minus 4. That is 9 over 2. So that number is equals to 9 over 2. This is the improper, which is 4.5. Please do well to like this, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more interesting tutorial. Thank you. Look at this question. A woman gave 4 over 9 of her money to her eldest son, 2 over 5 of the remainder to her youngest child, and the remaining amount was to be shared equally among her 4 blood sisters. If each of the blood sisters received 5,400 naira, what was the eldest son's share? Is it difficult? Just follow me step by step how you go about this kind of question. Now, always is a one problem. We don't know how much the total amount of money is, so we can say let the amount be X naira. Total amount that all these fractions were taken from be X naira. That's one step. Then 4 over 9 of that money was given to the eldest son. So the eldest son received 4 over 9 of the money. So let's see the remainder. Or we can now simply put it together, and 2 over 5 of the remainder. So the received by the youngest child. So the youngest child received 2 over 5 of the remainder. What's the remainder? That is the total money minus the money, the fractions of the eldest son, 9. All right, let's work this out. This gives us 2 over 5 into, take the LCM here, this one, 9x minus 4x. That gives us what? That gives us 2 of, right, 5, bracket means times, 5x over 9. All right, this goes to this. We are left with 2x over 9. Yes, so this is what the younger child received. All right, so the next statement. And the remaining amount has to be shared equally among our 4 blood sisters. The remaining amount. How do we get the remaining amount? Before we talk of sharing. The remaining amount is equals to, the total money is x, then minus the remaining amount. Take the share of the other sum from there, which is 4x over 9, and the share of the youngest child, which is this, over 9 from it. That gives us what? That gives us x minus, let me do it this way, x minus, so this gives us 6x over 9, which is 3 here, 2, 3 here, 3. So I have x minus 2x over 3. Take the LCM, which is 3, goes into 3 minus 2, yes, 3x minus 2x, that gives us what? 3x minus 2x gives us x over 3. Now, this is the remaining amount. If this amount is shared equally among 4 sisters, right? So we are going to share this among 4 sisters. So, shared equally among 4 blood sisters. So meaning that we are sharing x over 3 divided by 4. All right, this is equal to what? X over 3 times the rule, the denominator will go up, 4 comes down, that gives us multiply x over 12. Now this is a fraction for each sister, and we know that from the question, each of them gets or receive 5,000. So this, each sister will be equal to, equals to x over 12 equal to 5,400. If I cross multiply, I have s is equals to 5,400 times 12, and that gives us what? If you multiply, you're going to have that amount as 64880. We're going to have 648. Yeah, correct. 648. 64,800. All right. It means that is the total amount of money that this person has. But the question we have here is, right, if you follow me, the question we have here is, what was the eldest son's share? Remember from the beginning, the eldest son's share will be equal to 4 over 9 of that. Remember, I've cleaned it, is 4x over 9. So that x is this, 64800. Yes. Multiply this with 4 and divide it by 9. That will give us the amount is 288 we have headed cells, we're going to have 28800. Yes, can confirm that. So let's take a look at this. In a school, 5/8 of the students had malaria, and half had headache, and 1/8 had neither. All right. What fraction of the school had both malaria and headache? Simply put, this is the way we go about it. Let n be the number of those who had malaria. I'm going to use that, and h for headache. All right, headache. Okay. Now, if you're conversant with set, we can use Venn diagram to have this. This is for malaria, which is equals to 5/8. Equals to 5/8, and we have headache. We have, what number do we have there? It is half. Now let the number of students with both headache and malaria, which we are finding, be x. Let the number of students with both malaria and headache be x. So put that in the middle. Remember that this is an intersection between malaria for both. So it means they are still part of those with only, if you want to get only malaria, it's 5/8 minus x. Then a half minus x. All right. So we're going to have our total. All right. These are Venn diagram. Then the number of students with neither is 1/8. Right. 1/8. So it's not part of this. So totally what we have 5/8 minus x plus x plus 1/2 minus x now is equals to 1. Let me explain that. Now, the whole of this is 1. The fractions are part of the whole. They're part of that one. So you sum it to equals to 1. Now minus x will take away plus x. So we have, okay, now I have plus 1/8 either. This is the total. Sorry. This is equals to 1. So take care of this. I have 5/8 plus 1/2 plus 1/8 minus x equals to 1. Take the other side, which is 8. 8 goes there, 1 times 5 plus 4 times 1, 4 plus 8, 1. All right, minus x equals to 1. Add up this, 9, 10/8 minus x is equals to 1. Yeah, it means here x is equals to, take it to the other side, 10/8 minus 1. The final LCM is 8 here. I hope you follow what I'm doing. All right, we have 10 minus 8 here, which gives us 2/8, which is 1/4. Yes, therefore we can say that the fraction of students that had both student or fraction of students that had both is equals to 1/4. Clear? Yes, do well to like this, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorial. Thank you.